So we just got this brand new Elliott V60 in inventory, and it has a pretty cool auto stow feature on it. So what it does is if you're up working on the platform or even down below, you hold the button and the boom will swing over and it'll automatically center itself and stow into the cradle behind me. So I'm going to show you how that works. First we'll run through the lower controls and we'll hop into the platform and show you how to enable it and use it in the platform. So first I'm going to get the boom into a position where I can demonstrate this. So on the new touchpad that Ellie has, can enable lower controls. Press down, and the boom will raise up. Now I'll kick it off to the side. So from this position, we'll demonstrate the auto stow feature. So you're gonna come over, you're gonna enable lower controls, then press and hold boom auto stow. And it's gonna self-center over the cradle, and will lower itself down as long as you're holding the button. Now we'll demonstrate this from the upper controls as well. So to use the automatic boom stow from the basket, you can see that I'm swung out and above the platform. So now I'm ready to put my aerial away, park the boom. So you're gonna want to put your foot on the lever and then press this button right here. Keep it pressed. And then the boom will swing center on the cradle, and then it'll automatically lower you down. And it's gonna stop once it's parked in the cradle and it hits the sensor. There we go. So how awesome is that? That's a pretty cool feature that Elliott has just released on their V60. We wanted to show you guys how it functions. It's available on the new V60 that we have here in inventory. If it's something you're interested in, give us a call. Our sales staff can help you out. Thanks for watching.